That's something I might agree with. But yeah, I'm going to go with that one. I'm not really loving it, but I like it. I'm not going to make everything on him green. Okay, that's a good color, I think. It's not really matching, but fine by me. Make it nature. You can have wings. I wish I could make it have wings. Oh! Oh, wait. Oh, you have to have diamonds to do that. Oh, yeah. A rainbow. That looks good. I don't think I would wear any earrings. Maybe a necklace like that. Oh, no. We already did his hair. Maybe I'll fix his eyes. Is that kind of calm and relaxed? That looks pretty good. As nature. If human. Yeah, it won't let me do spaces. So, okay. Next, we're gonna do sun. If it was a human, I think we'd have like crazy hair. Crazy hair. What? Okay. Honestly, I think it would have hair like this. I'm gonna like kind of make it blonde. I don't want it like too yellow like that. That does not look good. Maybe a yellow. Kind of an orangish maybe. Nope. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that one. Looks fine.
Mario Kart for a little bit.
Okay, hold on. I'm making my video. I play Mario Kart a lot. Okay, I think it would be like wearing formal clothes. Oh, I don't like that. Maybe. Doesn't really match. I think